I'm finally lowering the car, bro. Like, I'm so pumped. I'm so hyped. It's been like months since I've been like planning on doing this. I've been saying I was going to do this. I'm finally about to do it. Y'all gotta stay tuned to the next video so y'all can see the installation and see what it's looking like on the car, man, because there's gonna be too much editing. So that just means y'all just gonna have to wait until the next video come out, bro. But in the meantime, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like this video, like my other videos. Go watch my other videos, whatever. Comment below. All that, man. We on the road to 1,000 subs, bro. So you gotta do that for me. Okay, so these are the Rev9 Hyperstreet 2 coilovers. They was about $500. I bought them off of kseriesparts.com, so if you want to check it out, I put the link down in the description. These are for a 2013 through 2017 Honda Accord. It fits all models, V6, 4 cylinders, every model. You get the adjustable dampeners. I think it's 32 clicks. I gotta go back and look at them. I'm not too familiar with coilovers and stuff like that. These are like my first set of coilovers. This is actually like the first time I'll actually be lowering the car. So at first I was actually thinking about getting lowering springs, but I realized like I didn't know when the suspension on my car, I didn't know when that was replaced or when the last time it was replaced. So I just went with coilovers instead because, you know, that would have been like a whole bunch of other problems I would have had, more money I would have had to spend. You know, it's better to just go with coilovers. At $500, you know, it saved me some money. So we working with these. So as y'all can see, you know, you get the fronts, you got the rears, you got the, I don't even know what you call these, man. These things, whatever you call them, these things to lower these things. Y'all know what they are. If you know about coilovers, man, you know what they are. Whatever. It's been like probably like a couple months since I cleaned this car, bro. So like today, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to clean this car, man, because man, look at this. Floor all dirty. I haven't vacuumed it. Cup holders, man, and then it's dusty. It's not real dusty up here, but I need to get some of this up. It's starting to stink up in this joint, man. It's starting to smell like butt. Then I also got this stuff right here. This will be my first time using it. So, yeah, man, we gonna see what's up. Like one of the things, it's like an odor bomb. Like you just drop it in there and then turn your air on and it'll just spray. Shake it up, I guess. Shake it up. Pop the top like a grenade. Drop that joint in here and run. But, yeah, man, we just gonna clean this out, bro, because, yeah, I need to clean it. And then I might wash the car, but I just washed the car literally 2 days ago and it's back to being dirty. So that's pretty much what this video gonna be. So y'all know me. When I do these videos, pretty much most of the time I'm always talking about, you know, adding something to it, or, you know, making it pop, making it stand out, adding a little bit of drip to it. So today I got a little surprise right here, you know. So these are some Fender emblems. I say emblems, Fender emblems. As you can see, it says a chord right there. Hopefully this ain't too rice. If y'all think it's rice, let me know in the comments below. Even though I really don't even care, because you know it's my car, you know, and to each his own. So y'all have y'all opinion, I got my opinion, but it's my car. I'm spending my money, you know what I'm saying? Not y'all's. But hey, just still let me know, you know, I still want to hear y'all feedback, because, you know, y'all supporting me, you know, and hey, just let me know. Yeah, I got these, because when I look at the car from like a side profile or a side view, like I'm just like, dang man, it's missing something. So I figured, you know, throwing these on there will help it out. So we're going to see when I put it on. We're going to see what it's looking like. But if you're interested, I'll throw the link down below. And yeah, we about to go put these on the car right now, bro. So the car is finally clean, nice and shiny. But this is what I wanted to show y'all, this cord badge right here. Like, what y'all think about that, man? Like, do y'all think it's too ricey? I don't know. I mean, say a cord, it can't be like too rice. But I'm thinking about just changing this chrome to black. I might plastic dip it. I might do that today. So it's 2 days later now. I was just in the process of making another video, but I ran into a little problem. So I had to stop doing what I was doing and just a change of plans. I was going to do something else, and I was going to put a part on my car. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. It wasn't going to be in this video. It was going to be in a future video, but now I'm gonna put it in here just because. And because I said I was gonna put it on today, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do it, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in this video. But this setback, man, you know, y'all gonna hear about this. Y'all gonna know more about this in another video. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe, like this video, comment, whatever. You know what I'm saying? If you got any questions, just let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at _Von, everything lowercase. Von with 4 N's, that's VONNNN with 4 N's. I'm thinking about changing my Instagram name, so I'll keep an update on that, let y'all know about that. If I ever do, I'm gonna put it in the comment section so y'all can see it, and if y'all have any questions, just hit me up on there. If you ever want to know what's going on, because you know what's up with the car and stuff like that, check Instagram, because it will make it to Instagram before it makes it to YouTube. I would say like a week before it even gets to YouTube, you know, due to all the editing. But nah, I feel like even if I do it like a week in advance, that's just like spoiling it too much. So it's probably like a couple days before I even drop a video. But y'all gotta stay tuned. If you want to stay up to date, check Instagram, because it's gonna make it there before YouTube. This is what I was gonna put on the car. I was gonna put these on the car right here. These are some rear bumper splitters. They are gloss black. Well, they're not really so much as glossy, but that's what color they were supposed to be when I ordered them. I had them for like a couple days. I was gonna put them on the day I got them, but I didn't. I said I was just gonna wait and put it in the video, in another video, not this one, but here we are now. They going on the car today in this video. So, hey, about to put them on, man. What I went ahead and did was I put 3M tape over here just to stick it on before I put the screws on. And then, I don't know if y'all can see them, but I put a little puncture holes right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, so I could get the screws through. And yeah, man, just did that just to make it a little bit more easier to actually get it on. Got the rear splitters on. Look at that. Once I lower the car, man, it's gonna be so aggressive. It's already aggressive with the rear diffuser, you know, rear splitters. You see that side right here. So I'm getting ready to wrap this video up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at _Von. That's VONNNN. That's Von with 4 N's. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And it's your boy 40p, and I'm out this bitch. Yeah.